Oh, that's weird. I'm messing around with it on OBS. Yeah, that's weird. Okay. I'm gonna have to get used to that. Alright. Like, sorry. Why do I get like 3 notifications at once when I do that? They've multiplied. You know what? Realistically, no one's gonna be here, so I can just probably just knock some stuff out. Yeah, I don't think anyone's gonna be here for a stream. Let's just knock some stuff out. Let's do regular. Let's do like the regular thing that we're probably meant to be doing when we start working on this type of thing. I mean, happy Monday. Hold on, let me just. So I'm not gonna be able to rely on the OBS thing, so I'm just. Oh, hey, Polly, welcome to the stream. I'm gonna do something very different for today's stream. Don't worry about it. So yeah, hey, FX, welcome to the stream. I just want to. Let's see. That's probably not the right type of node. Come to think of it. See that? Oh, you can't see the right-click menu. Oh, would it be better to? Oh, Ibler. Sorry, I'm late. I had to get prescription medications. Oh, as long as you're all right. Probably need to change. Let's see. What was he? It was a Oh yeah, here we go. Change type. Let's show up on screen. Oh, so you can't see what? I might actually have to do this then. Oh, how do you get slushy? Hello. Just give me a more chill stream. I know you're jealous. I can just walk. I mean, the 7-Eleven is like a few blocks away. I can't just go there. Uh, Turn on display capture. You're gonna see this for a little bit. Don't worry about it. But I just need you. I just need to display this on screen. So we're gonna be doing something very different today, and we're gonna make this our player node. This is mainly going to be. This is our building block. We need. Remember what we need here. We need a collision shape or a collision poly. What's the difference again? I want to like get better at this type of thing. Ah, so and typically I want to do like a capsule here. I think this is our guy right here. Like right over here. Did you see what I posted in images and videos? I have not seen that actually. I don't think I saw it. I need to hold on. Project settings. I think I want to change my viewport. Like you see the window, the viewport width, viewport height. I think just like what's the recommended? Like I don't know. It's gonna be like a. What if we just do like 1920 by 1080 for now? That's not really gonna work. I don't know. There's a specific resolution that is like 640 by. Yeah, actually look at. I need to actually look at because I was actually watching some like videos in preparation for this. But you should use cryo engine or framework. I don't know. I don't think I've heard of those. And this is the one I like know, and it's the one I've really wanted to learn. So this is the one I kind of default. It's kind of one I default to. 640 by 360 or something. Yeah, I could use it. I mean, I could use those. It's just 640 by. I think this was it. All right. Hopefully that's fine, right? Then we just gonna add a little bit of script. Let's add a script here for the player, and then let's actually make a folder just for like characters. Do you have what coding languages? The example is like C sharp. So we can use C++, I think, for this engine. Not C. I mean, there's a lot of C++. I think it's the two main ones are GD script. Like we have like this thing, right? We have it's like Python-esque, and then we have yeah, it is Python. Then there's also C sharp, which is kind of like Java, but you know, it's what Unity uses, so it's really meant to make Unity the onboard really meant to make the onboarding for like if you want to transfer from like Unity or something like that. I don't really know I don't know. I really didn't like Unity when I used it, and I did talk about that. Like all of it. Let's see. I think for the most part this is fine. It's just I kind of want to save this into the character. So we have like a little scene here for our player. He's hey, unlike the KV2 and War Thunder to tank with Godot. Hey, tank, welcome to the stream. I need to remember how to do this. It's been a while. Because because of the project that we're doing, I've been working with 3D a bunch, so I need to like learn I need to learn 2D, basically. I just need to sit down to take some time to actually do this. I think this is fine. I don't think we don't have like a sprite, but that's probably fine for now. We make it like a box. Like what type of? I mean, I have like a there is a thing that can use. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. So I would say about like a year or so ago, I was in a I don't know, I was in a dev club, and they recommended for me to like get a. It's like a it's like someone made like a bunch of assets for like a pack. Usually they would be on sale for like $20, but at that time I think it was free. I don't know why, but you know, are you doing computer science in school? That's my major, yeah. So I do know a little bit about like these variables, the input, but I should. This doesn't have a jump, does it? No, it does actually. What is UI accept? What is UI accept? I said enter and space. That doesn't that doesn't feel right. Yeah. Oh, those Puerto. Oh, at the time it seemed interesting, and then it's all. I don't know. There's a lot more math than I expected, and well, I don't mind math. It just gets. I don't know. It's at the point where it kind of just goes over my head. Even if I like put time into studying it, it just doesn't. Yeah. I guess it's fine for now. I don't have a sprite. I realize I don't have like a sprite or texture or anything like that. We can just use this. We can just use this, right? Yeah. Yep. And then glitch and shape. Maybe we can make this a box actually, a rectangle, and then we just drag this all out. It technically works. And for now I think this is fine. Geometry is hard, but I'm not doing harder maths. Luckily, if you uh stuff with vectors, like stuff with vectors, really messes with me. Dot product and vectors, matrices. It's basically linear algebra. That messes with me a bunch. But I know I have to kind of learn it. It's really important. I don't think I did all that well when I had to learn routing. Oh, this is actually a lot larger than I expected. Okay, never mind. Actually, I gotta make this small. I gotta make this shape smaller. Let's just make the smart smaller to match it for now. Because keep in mind, I already adjusted the viewport to be smaller, so I don't like Godot icon ugly. Okay, it's. I think it's nice, honestly. You don't really, I don't particularly mind it. And I guess what, let's just like make a new scene, right? Let's just make like a new folder and create a new scene. I believe let's just make it like a S platform. So I'm not entirely sure. Let's see. And then we can actually just I don't want to touch the script actually. I don't really want to do that. Are you gonna stream Halo tomorrow or are you gonna wait 2 weeks? I'm gonna need to ask Turtle about that. I was actually thinking about that, but I don't know. I forgot to ask Turtle like off stream, so uh oh, did I not save this? Oh, I didn't save it. Alright. And now we have it and now we have our little player here. And then we should probably just make like a box or something. Like an area like an area. Wait, is an area 2D like yeah, it just a text of which node was it again? Oh, static body. Yeah, I need a static body. So does this work? Or just am I gonna be flow if I don't provide like a platform here? Oh, you just it's kind of small. You can see that, but like, can I resize this window? Okay, that does not resize the way I wanted to. But oh, and I fell off. That is fast. Okay, we might need to slow down the movement here. Say like if we just do like 30 or something instead of. Is he in stream 2 days ago? I am displeased. I don't. This is part of a reason why. I don't know. Yeah, that feels better. Jumping is a lot. Jumping is very high. Let's just edit a project real quick because I feel like that's gonna be a bit off. Fresh viewport aspect deep. Let's see if that does anything. Oh wait. Oh, that's different. Okay. I think that works fine. I just need to make the box bigger. I just realized I don't have a way to exit a screen like that. Um, did not think that through actually. Hold on. Let's just do something dumb here. Hold on. Um, is that a new action? Let's just say quit game. Let's just write like quit. Let's qu- quit game. Do that, and let's what should I do? Yeah, screw it. Let's just write this like let's write this like here. Input dot is action just press quit game. I think this is right. Yep, that seems right. The cool thing about Godot is that you can actually open up the documentation inside the thing, so I don't really have to leave this screen for the most part. It's really nice. And then if you do this, actually, it looks so small. It's funny. Then I press L, it's gone. Might as well just add that a little. Might as well just add that real quick. How do you make videos on YouTube? I'm lazy. That's the main reason. I have an editing soft. I have an idea of what editing software I want to use. If I were to do something like that, I could. And there are some streams that I would like to turn into videos. It's just that I don't really. I don't know. I guess the next thing that I can do is just start making levels, right? And remember, I have this. Oh wait, you can do internet shortcuts. Oh yeah, you can. Huh. Nice. It's an actual thing. But I got this again. I got this like at like a voxel pad yellow paint pack. There's all these different packs that you can have that this thing comes with. Look at all this. Nautical? I mean for now since we're not doing anything since we just need like a place to just learn stuff, we might as well just pick something out. Go search what editing software? It's Clipchamp. Go search history? No. I feel like I'm not showing my search history. I paste this in. At work. Or do I have to like I just have to like drag this in? Okay, that does work. There's like a whole tile map here thing here then. Why no search history? Why would you want to know? Like, oh, wow, I'm looking up game devs. I'm looking up game dev stuff in like very niche rabbit holes that I'm going into. Like, I was looking into like what do you want to know? I look into Spirited Away, the 2004 Ghibli movie, 2001. I actually don't remember what I went down that rabbit hole for a little bit, and then I completely forgot what year the movie got released. That's good job, mate. Good job. Proud of myself. uh, but yeah, what do you want to know? Like, there's nothing. I really don't think that it matters all that much. Yeah, that doesn't look right. I think it's a bit off center. I don't think this will work. Actually, we might as well just make our own. We might have to make our own. Man, what is that? I'm trying to figure out how this works. How's your day going? It's been going all right. I have to like lower the. Doesn't quite line up, and I don't know why. So it's weird. Like yeah, it feels like you have. I don't know how to give this a lineup. Like it's reminds me of what some said. Ah, wait, hold on. I think I got it to work. Yep, that looks about right. Does that look right to you? I think that does look right. I thought we just no. There's still some things that just don't look right here. Are you alright? Ah, gosh. I think this is the best. Sadly, I think this is the best we're gonna get. Run, I accidentally muted a stream. Why? I know talking. I accidentally muted a stream. How do I change the size of the? That doesn't look quite because that doesn't look quite right. I think it's. I think the issue is that the size of the note at a sandwich. I'm trying to. Hey turtle, look. Hey golden turtle, welcome to stream. I don't know how to add a sandwich. I'm still trying to learn. I'm learning this, and I'm still trying to learn how to do this. I think the issue is that I might need to just look at the documentation real quick. Time of date, title set, vice or origin. I don't know how to add a sandwich. Do I have to like make a sprite that is just a sandwich? Like, what do I do? Oh, you can like set cells. You can do, huh? Hit neighbor cell. I will tell you how to. Two bread, cheese, meat, sauce, lettuce, and boom a sandwich. Sandwich. Yeah, I feel like what type of sauce though? Like, no, seriously. Like, what type of sauce? We're talking like, I don't know. Oh, you want like ketchup on there? So what do you know about about turtle ranks? Uh, uh, goodness. It doesn't think I can draw. I'm trying to figure out how to. Because the cell size is a bit too large. Okay, no, it is. Oh, it is off, isn't it? Because of the ghost blocks. Right. I need to adjust that a little bit more. Yeah, that's why that's off. Okay. That does not look right. Does that look off? It looks off by like one. Did it actually like huh? You're putting Sonic keys greet just on my say, hey Sonic, welcome to the stream. You had different sandwiches to give you different buffs. In order to fill out a contract, you need to fill it in. I was like, this platform is apparently just revolving about a local deli. I'm still trying to figure out all of this stuff, man. Right, this looks right. I think this looks better. Like the margins, I think I'm looking at all of this. I think the margins actually do line up, thankfully. Hey, hey, Big Wig, welcome to the stream. I'm trying to figure out how to. I'm still trying to figure out this whole game, this tile set. How do I get this thing to work? Probability. Huh. Wait, why does this look off center? Oh, because if this looks fine, then I'm so lost. What's happening? I'm trying to figure out how to get a tile set to work. Because if let's say if I like try to paint here, let's say if I try to paint here, right? I try to grab a thing. Um. Okay, now that's not working. You know, it should be hard to get to salisbury almond water, which you can get by no clipping somewhere in the map to get teleported into the back rooms. You not know what you're doing? I'm learning. This is why I'm taking the stream to learn a little bit. I mean, I'm not gonna. I mean, I tried looking up some things, I've honestly completely forgot. And the sad part is, I think I've just straight up completely forgotten. Like, uh, I with fishing stream soon. We could do that at some point. I mean, there's a lot of ideas we could do for this. I'm just trying to figure out. Uh, why is this paint? It's supposed to paint here, right? Because I have the tile map layer selected, and why is this? I guess that works, right? Then we have. Oops, I did not. All right, so navigation. Uh, this game you're a red balloon and a door monkey chases you, right? Oh my goodness. Maybe this stream was a terrible idea. Let's be honest. Uh, probably try something else. Have a debugger anyway. Ah, yeah. I need to like. I just saw it. Are you doing some other baloney idea? I don't know. I don't know. I want to make a simple platformer, but you know, I mean, we could go back. We could just go back to like your old like. 'Cause I did get movement working. I just need to make sure I need to get collision working on tile map. Ah, thank you, Nightbot. Nightbot's putting into work, man. Nightbot is just the absolute legend. You make this sandwich to distract a monkey, giving you opportunity to kill the monkey. Wear the head to act like the monkey. He's more consistent than you. I mean, it's fair. I mean, yeah. Can you use secret ending? I feel. Oh my goodness. Like, do you want to make a game design? We could just make it. We could take some time to like learn, make it like a little game design doc real quick. Like, is this game gonna be like sandwich really? 'Cause I was just making like, hey, let's just learn, let's just do like some basic stuff, and then I completely forget the basic stuff. Uh, talk. Hey, Steak. Welcome to the stream. I was doing some research on this, and I completely forgot. And then I completely forgot because I'm trying to add collision to the. Also, the tile. These tiles are not the right size. These are different. Is a different size. These guys. I need to figure out because I thought the tile map later would be able to. What was the size of this thing again? It was like it's 21 ish. It's recommended quality. Oh, what in quadrant size. That shit should be enabled. So, but if I do that, then don't they just still fall through the edge? Like if I were to just do this, then yeah, you still fall. Have you ever made a game before? I've tried. Mostly, I don't know. I've done a little bit of things of Godot. I've done a little bit of things of Godot, but I keep trying to like start projects of it. So I'm like, hey, let's just stream it. Let's see how that goes. So I'm just trying. So I do have this little script. I know most of this stuff is like here, but I also have this. So because I wanted to do the I want to make it full screen. So it should this button should just it just allows me to quit the game from yeah. And I just kind of left these because these are just kind of built in. I don't know. I probably should change these. I could probably make a I should probably change some stuff just so I know because going for the default actions probably isn't the best idea to be honest. Actions the lettuce for the sandwich. What does that mean? So if I wanted to like I think it's also good for like the readability of code. Yes, I have quit game set to L. I don't think it'd be it seems like it's just a temporary feature. It's kind of like a temporary thing, so whoops. Yeah, I definitely recommend making your own input map. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Then we can probably just replace these, so we just do uh left and loading chilling yap. You complain about people yapping all the time. Sir. Move right. And then we have the jump here. And when you hide a secret button behind a letter that yeah, there's a lot of stuff here, I feel like. Read the first part? Oh, right, there's a first part to that. Hold on. I don't think I have a YouTube chat set to like it defaults at top for some reason, I don't know why. I'm trying to look good myself if it's going to so hope it goes well for you too. Yeah. I have a little bit of experience in Godot, it's just projects don't get that far, so and I think a bunch of the projects I have set up are free are a little bit free. Like if I go to let's see, what's like a really dumb one I did? Let's see. I mean, I don't have that many projects on here on this computer. Say if I like switch over. Oh, that's my Discord. Let's if we go to like I name one Openwatch, don't ask. But I did do a little bit of stuff related to like I made like a hold on. I think it's better if I do where's that scene? This was a whole different thing that I did. Uh levels, testing ground, and then we run the script. Top chat is so annoying. Honestly, it is. Like I mean, I made this like whole platform, this whole 3D thing. This is how far thing aside, but I had to learn. I had to do a little bit of stuff with draw. But I have this like button that basically does damage, and then I can do healing, and I think I made a regenerating shield. But okay, I have to close this because I didn't actually make a close feature. So, so this was like one of the other things. So I would argue that I'm a little bit better at 3D. But 2D is something I do genuinely need. Where is the player scene? And then I have to go to the health component. I can adjust all this. Yeah. It's really all of this was I loaded a player scene by well it did load, that's a good thing, but I loaded a player scene by accident. Yeah. So you can actually like if you take damage here, it should regenerate. Yeah, it does. It does right there. So that was one of the other things I did, but now I'm just struggling to figure out a tile set because I really want to learn tile set. I'm literally the opposite. I'm a fish out of water 3D. Yeah. Yeah. And I do know a little bit of like code convention. I do know a little bit of like the coding conventions, like CryEngine's better Godot. Like I don't know, I've never tried CryEngine, but I do know a little bit of I do know a little bit of composition. I think I used inheritance at some point, I'm not sure. It's just an extra access, yeah. But I don't but I really just wanted to learn tile sets. Learn about tile sets for this project, and I'm struggling a little bit on that. Let's see. And then this is something that I didn't get far with this one either, but I just realized I misspelled platformer. Anyway, yeah. So what I need to figure out is how do I get this to collide with this guy right here, player? Like, is there a property that I'm missing about the? Is there a property that I'm missing? It tells that's pretty important. Yeah, I really want to learn. It seems like such a robust thing, and that it would be okay. You need to make this. Oh, physics layer. Okay, how do I do? So is it in like physics, collision, physics interpolation? How would I do that? Is it like a child? No. Look at the top where it says I have a top. Top of this? Patterns, terrains. I feel like I'm over the right panel? Top of the right panel. Running quadrant size. So collision enabled, use kinematic bodies. Kinematic, I don't think because kinematic's physics, right? Which is probably not what I want. And maybe it's because I'm using tile map layer. Yeah, kinematic is physics. But yeah, maybe what if I so it says I know that there is like another thing, it's tile map, which is deprecated. And I don't really want to I don't think that grabbing like something that's deprecated is a great idea. I think I made another tile layer by accident. Map layer. Offset. If I go down or click this, square set offset size tile size. I actually do need that. It's like what I set for size 2. 21, I think. Then I can draw. Then does that if let's say if I draw let's say if I draw a little bit of let's say if I draw here, does that actually fix a thing? This is not working. Whatever. Physics layers, add element. Okay, collision layer, collision mask. In physics material. Do I need to load in physics material or no? What is this? Uh, it doesn't let me see the document. Usually when you right click this stuff, it shows you like if I look up tile, if I right click tile size, it will show us the documentation, but it doesn't seem like it's doing that here. It's an array. This is classified as an array. I mean that makes sense. Now you can go to tile set on the bottom panel. Tile set and then hit paint. Option in the three dots menu. Oh, that's not working. So we should be able to paint here. I think. You have to go to tile map. Select a property editor. Rendering res. Can add navigation terrain sets. Oh right, I need to do this whole thing. Yeah. Okay. So does this work then? It fell through the floor again. Alright, I'm doing something wrong. Let's see what I'm doing wrong. We need physics. Do I actually need physics material then? Or does it do something different? Nope. On tile set button then paint again. Yeah. Apparently this isn't working. Alright. Doing something wrong here then. Collision. It should be unclear. It should. Yeah. The collision should be on 1 then. Which is weird. You can select the paint for physics layer 1. I'm not painting on physics layer 1. Might not be painting on. We place random tiles. We can. Which doesn't make sense because that's not. Alright, yeah, we gotta go eat. Alright, back soon. Alright, gotcha. I'll try to figure this out in the meantime. Let's see. So if. Let's see. Alright, see you, man. So if we were to paint. You can do like. Oh, you can do different stuff. You can do like hexagons and stuff. Interesting. Oh, I see. Alright. That's interesting. Ah, okay. Okay, this is gonna actually get kind of distracting. Hold on. I think this is within the viewport. That's a lot of stuff that's outside of viewport, actually. Yes, I think that's outside of viewport. Alright. Let's figure out how to give us work then. What's I just need to get this. I just need to get this to work. I mean, this is, eh. So what causes the physics to just not? What causes? So it should be fine, right? That's what I thought. This I thought this would be fine if because they're on the same physics layer, right? So what's causing that to not work? I feel like I'm just going around in circles. Like, okay, so does that mean that this isn't because because this apply platforms? That's not what I need at all. What? I feel like I'm missing something like really crucial here. It's this entire session is really meant to. Do I need to add like a? Hold on. Let me just hit me. Brain physics. Oh, do I need to add this? I need to add that? Nope. That was not. Okay. What is that menu then? Oh, set. Thought you could get rid of me. Oh, it's a ban evader. Yeah, we don't talk about. Yeah, let's just move on from that. So don't you need to assign like all of this like physics? So what makes it so okay, now that's just gone. Why is that gone? Oh, do I need to complete it? Oh, I see. Okay. So does that just work now? What's one way do? What is one way? What? Oh, this works now. Okay, so we need. So does that mean we just need to add a? I think I just realized how sluggish this is. Okay, so we need to add physics for. Do we need to do that for all of them? There has to be a way to copy and paste, right? But now that that works, okay, we can start to. Okay, nice. I like. Okay, wait. Do I need? Do I need to do that for all of them? So wait, what happens if I want to implement slopes then? So can I? Okay, hold on. So put you here, put you here, put you here. Okay. Does that mean that just works? And if we were to paint, or go to time map, like that, and draw all of these guys. Let's add like a little bit of grass here, which doesn't quite work actually. Hold on, I have to do this. Yeah, that looks cleaner. And then here, does that just work the way I think it does? Hey, Blur, welcome back. Oh, that looks weird. Look at him glitching. He can't. The sprite is too big. He can't handle the. Look at him. Did I have a part of this? Yes, you did. Hey, Grubby, welcome to the stream. We figured out collision. We have slopes. We're chugging along. It looks very wrong, actually. It looks very, very wrong. I'm gonna keep watching the stream but not chatting because I'm gonna play my game while watching plus Deepak. Deepak, he's gone. It's already gone. I got it for bit. Like, bro, why do people like man? Like, look, man. We gotta screw this guy up. It's, you know what? Well, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. Give me a minute. I think I just wanna. Let's just make this an export. I kind of just want to make this an export. Export var bead, and we just make this like a. Let's just keep this like float. Let's have like a default set to like 100 or something for now, and honestly, this is a massive. What does 100 even look like? Is the official sprite? But for now, I'm using the Godot sprite. Like if you look here, we have this like a 100 is actually kind of fast. It is like nothing for gravity, but apparently it's just really fast horizontally. Look at him. He's speeding along. Shh. It's actually kind of funny. It's actually kind of funny. I like it a lot. Or how does this interact with slopes? Wait, so if you're like jumping. Wait, you just wait. I think you need to increase the jump height. If you like jump while you're while you're moving on a slope, it just speeds you up. But you make this right derpy. I think I'm just gonna for now for this project, for now, I think I'm just gonna, you know, I think that I'm yeah, no, I think I'm just gonna keep it like placeholder sprites because I need to learn like I need if I before I like do anything that advanced, I wanna learn wait, I wanna see. Because there's sprites that there's background sprites, there's PNGs, there's all these individual tiles. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. I don't think there's anything for players though. So we're probably gonna stick with the very derpy Godot. We're gonna stick with a very Godot guy. Are you gonna open up the public? No. This is really just a learning. I don't think there's for starters. I don't think there's really much valuable here, and I'm really just learning as I go. I think I don't know. I mean, the asset pack I really can make public. You have to pay. You have to pay for it. But I managed to get it for free. So I managed to get it for free like a while ago. I don't. It was on sale. So okay, I really gotta increase the jump height. Apparently 100 is just nothing. Or full. Let's do 200. Happy medium. Huh. That's actually a reasonable amount of jump. It's not enough to get anywhere actually. Like if I were to like, you normally dev. I'm kind of new here. No, this is my first time actually like trying to do this on stream. It's also bouncing when I'm like, how do I get just to? It's like I'm slipping off for some reason. It does not. This. Would it be any enemies? Would it be any enemies? I haven't thought about that yet. Trying to. The whole thing is just learning how a tile set works, right? How this whole tile thing works. And for now, I'm just. So far, I just have. What do I have? We go to tile set. We go. Get select things. Um. Yeah. I know that I just probably a way to like. Let's say like oh, I can just quick select. So if I were to like, can I quick select the halberd head? Well, I'm not entirely sure. There's a way to automate. There's probably a way to automate this, but for now, I kind of just want to. I hit the wrong one. There we go. The blade thing. I should. No, no, that's not right. Um, that. So I can technically just. No, I think I need. I kind of want to get this to feel right. I'm not sure. What's your favorite animal? Animal? It's. Oh, fish are pretty nice. They sometimes just like a this goldfish look. Goldfish do not look like they know what they're doing, and I kind of relate to that. Oh, wait, music stopped. Hold on. I just realized I have this whole. Worry about it. It's gonna hit play. I don't know what other music I have. I don't really have much other music I feel comfortable playing on stream. But to be honest, honestly, they're. I mean, they're like everywhere around the neighborhood. So like, what if I just change this song? What if I just change? What if it's just not a rectangle? What a capsule shape look like for this thing? Okay, not quite right. Not what I expected. It doesn't really look like a capsule, but I just want to see how does that if I were to just do that, does that make this whole platform thing smoother? Why do you scream like Banavate with some Cappy guy when some Cappy guy shot? Because he did ban because he is actively banned. Oh, that doesn't fix it. His first name is Frederick. Oh, he just the Godot cube is It's just Frederick now. Yeah. This doesn't really give you enough. Sad part is, yeah, I guess they did have like something going when they did VO. I really need to. I really don't need. Actually, I don't need to export this UI. Really not necessary. This is good speed, but is the name Canon? Interact day fixers. I don't know. I don't really do. I don't normally do this game dev. This whole game dev thing. I could try. I mean, maybe I could try. It's just I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I like. I'll do this like often. Why did I think that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Yeah. No. How do I fix the? Oh, you play balloons. I do. I do. But like the troll screams and crawl. Well, there's a lot of people. There's a lot. I mean, I do other thing. I do. I mostly just play other games, but yeah, there's a lot of things that I don't know. There's a lot of people on there that play co-op and just get. Well, and I really do, and I honestly kind of want to move away from that. Banner Vader stole my name. Dang. What? So do I just like write code for that? Do I like if how do I get to just like stick to the? I mean, I mean, the brute force option is to just like is if I just do like if is on floor. What is this? It's true if it but I collide it only with the floor. Huh. Seen that. Positive velocity, then parse error. Give me jump height 999. You could. Why not? If because I wrote this here. Yeah, I think I had an extra character there. It's like your least favorite person on the internet account. What does that mean from? What does that mean? What happens if you just hold on. Okay, that line of code was really not well thought out, like at all. But how do you fix that, then? How do you fix the slopes? 999 is a lot harder than I expected. Let's go. My people need me. Yeah, I don't know how to get this slope to. You kind of just walk. You kind of just like. It's like a speed issue. Like if you go too fast, then like so let's like adjust the. So we're getting on like 60 or something. then bring this back down to like 300. Translate that? I don't know, man. How do I make it stick to the ground without like? Is it like It could be a property. Let's stop on slope. Wait, just wait. I can just enable that. Wait, what happens if I wait? Now I'm just curious. What happens if I just? I don't know why I did that. Please do not spam in chat. Please don't. I thought it was gonna slide more. Maybe I just don't have enough. Maybe I don't have. I don't have a. When velocity applies a downward force. It seems like I know this. This seems like actually, you know what? Let's just always specify. I feel like the chair. I just want to try it. Maybe a boss we have to jump on it to kill it. On the 8 instead of from guys. Huh. I think I need to. I think I should do that instead of just pressed. Give out. I guess. I have not figured it out. Figured what out? It's not. We need it to. Like I've. I'm not doing it right. It's not. Look at your name. Does it not ring a bell? Moon's trolling? No. I'm not really paying attention. I've got to be honest. I'm not really paying attention. I don't really think it rings a bell. I feel like I'm going crazy. I feel like I'm going crazy. Yeah. What are you doing? Where are you going with this? I want to go faster, but what if I just do it? Hold on. I'm trying to give us a slide, like do a little, like how in Mario you would just do. But I don't think it. Does Yates sound familiar? No. Yes, I definitely understand this. I mean, it's just like it's. I'm just. I think I'm just trying. I'm trying to like constantly add velocity as it goes down. It's just not working. You trying to Benevate again? It just hit. That's like okay, really? Third time? I'm just gonna do a simple thing. It, dude, you're Benevating. He's Benevating again. Dude, there's a reason why I did it. You kept spamming the. Ah, I don't know why. I don't. Trying to get us to. Maybe that's not. I need to think about this a different way. I mean, I want to press that there. I wonder what the final spider would be. Frederick. I don't know. I was trying to think. I haven't really designed any. I don't know. I'm just using. Again, I'm using a template, so this is really just me trying to learn and just talk myself through this, and convince myself to actually get something done on this engine. Mine is how do I get sliding work done? What? How do I do that? Maybe I instantiate something, but maybe give it an actual thing. It's not speeding up. It's it's not speeding up. Is it like is it just gonna be like a constant rate? Or like Maybe I need like a move a character in a different way. What happened to Twitch chat? I just don't think anyone's there. I can check real quick. I don't think I don't think anyone's here. It's fine. Don't worry about it. I just don't think anyone's here. I just don't think it, we're just kind of vibing. Okay, so it doesn't work the way I thought it would, so that sucks. What if I were to do that real quick, actually? Do you remember you, Mr. Vitas Ches? No, I don't. Sadly, I don't. For some Nautica stream? Oh, hello. Which one? There's like there's like over 10 of those. What happens if if I do that and then I do there's like 900 or something. It occurs to me I should probably add something to maybe like a label or something. Not a script. Let's add like a temporary script here. Uh, there's a function here. Hello, Mr. Hello. I'm recording vid. Don't why no typing. So I have 30 minutes OG footage. I just gotta say we'll start typing again. All right, then. I should probably just do text. Yeah, I should probably just write text here. Um, for some reason I think this is the dumbest idea I've had. Does this work? Does this just work like this? Oh, it does work like that. So if I were to do or just jump. Oh, okay. We can do a speed run of Notepad? No idea. For some reason I wasn't expecting that to work. I guess we just have the player's position out now. I guess that's a thing. Oh, that definitely works. If I just press down. Oh, it's going. It's going. You hit the ground so fast. Is this you again? Is how many? Is it you again? Who's eat? I don't know. Yeah, I was not expecting it to work. Is this? We just have the position tracker now. These are the pinnacle. What is happening in chat right now? My foot is cooked during instruction. Can't use the 1 hour of footage. Dang. But I'm looking at chat. This is more. This is more confusing than when I do the gaming streams. Huh. You should probably actually just let's just start. What if I just design a level? I should probably modify. But is it over already? Huh. Probably put it on loop actually. I should probably actually like design a level. Oh, let's go back to this. Just making sure things will work. Also, I wonder if I should set up a camera. I should probably set up a camera. Let's attach a position tracker here, just so it sticks to. Wait, so if I put a position tracker here, does that mean that I didn't think that through, did I? Oops. I did not think that through. I've had it like, does it not inherit from the position of that it would normally inherit from the. I don't know. In a 3D space, it would inherit from the position. I'm doing something wrong here. Maybe the how I think my brain just is just collapsing in on itself. Oh, now it works. Huh. And making a game of Godot too. I'm gonna start a new Galaga clone when my dad loved it so much. Good luck making your game. Thanks, man. And good luck on your game. I'm still trying to figure out how like this whole like camera stuff. Okay, so just like, do I need to like center it on the person then? Otherwise, or maybe it's better to not center it on the person. Wonder what the best option is. Trying to think about. Do, do. At some point, I need to learn auto. At some point, I need to learn about auto tiling. Did I set up a physics? Did I set up physics for that one? A tile? I think it did. Well, it's actually. You know what? I think the best play is just to just paint. Let's just paint, I guess. Okay, that doesn't. That's not aligned. Eh, but is. But it's a bit. You know what? I don't think it. You know what? I don't think that matters so much. I think let's just see if I can get a camera working. That story is great too. By the way, are you gonna open a game when it's finished? I don't know how far I'm gonna take this project. It's really just for. I kind of just want to learn stuff for now. For now, I kind of my main thing is just learning this stuff. And these little things here. What positions? What's positions moving? What is positions moving? Huh. Wait, so what does that do? So if I enable positions moving, then I put that under there. What exactly does that do? Oof, where's Sonic and the gold rings? Hey, Turtle. I don't know what's happening anymore. I'm trying to. Is it stalling now? I think the project is stall. Uh, It's because the game is stalling. Um. Oh, you know what? It's because I didn't finish that line of code. That would do it. I'm just gonna comment that out real quick. We don't need for that to be there. Not even turn over cheese. So, well, that's weird. Okay. That why is that? Wait, if that's moving around as well, I just realized. Yeah, that's not right. That's I think I need to add a canvas. I forgot to add a canvas layer. So that should prevent the thing from moving. Yeah. All right. Okay. So the camera does move, but it's also. I mean, really, that's not that big of an issue. I just need to center it. See the center of the camera around this guy. For some reason, it's not. We need to put it here, and that will fix it. That just seems annoying. Nope. Oh, it's because it's all. Nope. Nope. Maybe we're flawed this. Yeah, because it's its own canvas layer, so that it should just be inside the viewport. Yeah. Yeah, but that's not really the effect that I want. Wait, guys, are we fighting in chat? Oh no. That's not the desired effect that I want, though. Can you guys calm down? Never mind, I can save the footage. I was gonna be so sad. You should just be able to, yeah. Dude. Are you trying to... please, God, please tell me you're not guys are trying to instigate a fight. So if I just keep this... Okay, that means if I just keep the UI elements in the viewport, that should be fine. Should that just be its own thing, then? Like its own scene? It could be its own scene, but I don't really have anything to write home about. I'm not this unkind gentleman saying cheese is better of a name. The gamer tag but always was already taken. Why do you... Okay, seriously, what, though? Why do you need to feel the need to come... to make another account to come back, though? Okay, go to 1 hour footage. Good luck, man. Okay, let's bring the position back to, like, 0. Okay, maybe not fair. Maybe that doesn't seem right. But what I wanted to do is like have a whole system where the camera like moves in accordance with a. I'm not thinking about making like very vertical levels. I want to set it so that if it's following an object, right? The object that it is following, uh, not x plus. I think that's right. Is is Mr. Toss Cheese Yeet? Is me Toss Cheese Yeet? Yeah, he is. I want to. I should probably. He's ban evading, so I'm probably just gonna. I should probably should just remove him. If you ban, I will come back. What's the point? Uh, I think I don't know. Eh, on this account, I talk fancy. Ah, you feel you're talking like. If, yeah, I'm just gonna. You know what? Let's give this. You know what? We're just gonna keep playing whack-a-mole. Let me just switch scenes real quick. Let me just switch scenes real quick. I'm just gonna. Uh, don't. Feel as though I don't know. I feel as though it's just kind of. It kind of gets annoying, man. I just don't want to. I just don't want to deal with it. I feel like I move towards function. Move towards. Okay, there we go. What's from? On. Toward from to. I didn't do this right, did I? You know what? It's not just that. I just completely forgot to actually put in this thing. So it should be. What happened if we do that? That didn't work. That did not work at all. It just did. That straight up just did not work. All right. Again, maybe we should read the documentation a little bit. Just documentation, I think for Godot is actually really good. Like there's like look at all of this. All of this stuff. You can just click on it and it should just explain it. Like zoom levels. Some limits. Resets moving. You can make. You can check if the camera's active as well. So you can have like multiple cameras, I guess. What to do? You have a button to like switches between people. You can do. Get a button that could switch. What if you just had a button that you could switch between people? So like, is there like a thing that says, "Oh, okay." I think at that point we need like some sort of game manager, right? Like a script that manages like the game. Like, what's the active camera currently, or what's opinion D&D kind of. So if like how would you do that though? Like if you were to like instantiate like D&D, I've been wanting to get into it. It's just I don't know. I don't really have many groups near me. Which he IP ban? You IP ban? I don't know if IP banning is a thing. Emails do you have? I don't know. The thing is, you don't even need to like have emails. I think you just need to have like uh I think on Twitch. I don't know. It's just playing a game. Sadly, it's for the most part, it's playing a game of whack-a-mole. I should probably make another level to like. We should probably have like. Actually, how high can you jump? I keep pressing. I keep. You know what? Maybe I should just. I keep pressing up to like test out the thing. So why don't I just keep pressing up, man? So this should just do the same thing now. Dear player, my advice is beware of smiling DM. When they smile, it's too late. Sounds to me like your DM just needs a better poker face. Who knows? Like smile, like smile. Hello, welcome to the stream. Yeah. Can you imagine? I think at that point you might as well be like this position just changes based on what's the channel because it inherits from the That's such a weird way to do. It's such a weird way to think about it. Like smiling though. Yeah, but it's like a whole maniacal smile you can do, like just to really mess with people. Like when I say welcome to the stream, I've been here for a while, just not chatting. I don't know. I say it for like whenever someone hops in. I don't know. I have the object. I don't have good. I don't have good object permanence. They have been here. Well, I hope you've been enjoying the stream. I'm just been messing around, just around. I don't know. It's instinctive. I don't know. I don't know how to describe it. How else to describe it? It's kind of just instinct at this point. You know? Maybe I should just delete one of. I should probably just leave those points. Yep. These guys cuckoo. He's. I don't know. I think he's just mad that I keep banning him. Even though he's been doing. I don't know. He spams a lot in chat and also just gets. He also just makes chat kind of unbearable to read. So I should probably delete. Can I just leave this point? No, just delete the whole thing. All right. Good to know. I don't know if there's a way to make this faster. Like if I have to, then is there a way that I can bring over this physics slider? So if I were to just do that, then does that apply for all those? It does. I see. Did you ban his on Twitch? Ban him on Twitch. By the way, I'm gonna call a feat. Why? I mean, why would I? I mean, like, what's? I don't really. I don't know. Is it really? I mean, does that just work then? This is his blurs. He's just saying things. Dude, I've done 5 minutes of footage out of 60 minutes of footage. Honestly, look, that's good progress. That is just good progress. I mean, what? I mean, I don't know. Okay, so the collision does work. I can just. How do I make it so that it's like that it only collides from the top? Then I'm pretty sure there's a thing. Don't spam and don't spam me. How do I make it so that it? What cool stuff can I do? Can I have a sprint function? Like a midair dash. If I do a, what if I did a mid? Can I do a midair dash? Does that would that just work? Let's just add a dash. Let's add a new dash foot button. So and then we can do what button should that be? We have we just do Z. I'm not gonna do shift. I don't think shift is a good idea. Let's just do Z for now. And then Not afraid to get into path jumping surviving. Who knows? There's a lot of different backgrounds you can technically do. Uh, input dot is action just press uh dash and dot is on floor. Bella. Can't do- I mean, make it American. What are we guns? I could like have like a little circle, right? You should have like just shoot in the direction that we're facing. How do I check what direction we're facing though? That's the question. Just add a platform with like that. Just keep just add stuff in. I could just like add whatever I wanted here. Actually, I should probably add a constant for this. Const dash speed. Make it a float, and let's do like 100, I guess. I think that works. It's not working. Maybe I'm not. Maybe it's not. If I crank up, is there actually anything going on? Let's say if it like set it to 999,000. What happens if I were to just do that? Okay, that's more of a blink then, but it's not carrying over the momentum like I would want it to do. So what gives? Is it not? Do I have to press? Well, I should. It's plus. That's fine, but oh, that's what it. That's probably why. Because at that instant, event of velocity is getting reset. Yeah, the velocity I think I think is just getting reset. Then he's pushing it off too much. He's probably he's like he's real for some reason he's just really obsessed and it's low key fun. It's low key funny. Like why is he do like wait? Does that mean I'm actually living rent free in somebody's head? Wait, that's kind of funny actually. wait, wait, have I made someone mad enough that I've actually made someone rent? I just live rent free in somebody's head. Is that what's happened? Yeah. Okay. So I need to figure out a way to increase the. Maybe I need to rewrite. Maybe I just need to rewrite it. Maybe I do an acceleration based movement actually. How would I do that though? Like I want to let's say if I want to do like an acceleration based movement, right? I'd have to change all of this. I feel like speed would have to change as well. Like a max, maybe instead of a speed, we have like a max speed, right? I wouldn't say funny, but you do. I wouldn't say funny, but you do. It's it's really but look, it is actually kind of weird. The sky is red. The sky is red. The walls are closing it. Like, and I just like can I make like a, hold on. And I just like if I were to just make have like a massive, let's say if I just I know this is like really inefficient. It's just like a massive color rectangle. We just whoop whoop, and then we move it to, like down here. Here actually, yeah, up here. And then we change the color. Just do something simple like that, and then just do okay, not quite red. Sky is red. You can hold on. We actually have like a red sky now. The sky is red. You cannot escape. You still here? Awesome. Yeah, I know I stream. I typically stream for like 3 hours. So I typically stream for like 3 hours. Typically, yeah. We've had to deal with like a little bit of. I did actually figure out collision. That's pretty nice. And I need to. Let's add a little bit. Let's just. I'm doing something really dumb. I'm just doing some dumb stuff right now, just because I think it's funny. I also need to. I made the sky. I made this. I don't know. I was bored. I tried making the sky red. But I was trying to implement a dash feature, which isn't working because I think it's because it keeps resetting my velocity. So only for an instant that it actually has a velocity, but it doesn't maintain that velocity. So I need to figure that out. 402 errors. Please make it blue in a bit. It has actually a red sky is actually kind of hard to look at. I will agree. Yeah, it's mainly because of the alternate. It's mainly because of the of all of this. It's something to do with the time up later, which I haven't actually fixed. I mean, the parameter delta is also not used in here, and I just have this to like track the position. I really need to like. I really need to like yeah. I'm just gonna do that real quick. I should fix it. Unless there's also another problem here, but yeah, it's mainly dude. It's mainly because there's I go to the tile map layer. There is a lot of tiles that just aren't alternative tiles that just aren't used somewhere. Yeah, it's pretty easy fix. I just can't. It says I should probably. It's right there. It is right there. I just never bothered fixing it until now, I guess. And then if we clear that, we should just have no errors. Yeah. I'm trying to. I have this like little thing that where I have this label that tracks vision. It's under a canvas layer, so it doesn't. So theoretically, it just shouldn't move when I'm moving all of this. Is there an enemy? Not yet. If you want to make an enemy, I feel like it just have to be like a massive blob. Yeah. Also, I don't know. Your design is my nemesis. Yeah. Let's just make it more pleasant to look at for a little bit. Hold on. Let's make it like a probably good color. I don't know. I'm using color rectangle, which isn't, which to be clear, don't do this. I just did it because I'm lazy. I just did it because I'm lazy and I can just replace it later if I want. Still looks alright to look at. It's just like, I mean, the main issue I'm running into is just that the slope, it doesn't stick to the slope, but eh, it's not that big of an issue. I just want to get this dash thing to work, so I'm probably gonna have to rewrite this so that we have like a constant. I don't think, yeah, we have a max speed. Let's just have like a var. Just have like a var for speed. That's like the actual speed, and then we have velocity. Then we have like a var for velocity. Then we need like a constant for. Oh, wait, the velocity already exists. Never mind. I think no, it probably does have this already, so it doesn't really matter. Actually, why did I say right velocity and speed? I don't know what I'm doing. Uh, let's just write something for acceleration. The velocity is a built-in variable characteristics. Yeah. Who is he? I think he's a more chill guy. I think he's a guy who's also working on a project, and I don't know. Let's set it to, what should I set it to? Like 20? Yeah. I also have this ground pound thing. So let's say if I loaded the wrong I loaded the wrong scene. Don't worry about it. I loaded the wrong scene. Don't worry about it. Is he? No, it's not. It's he. I don't think this is you. Imposter. He's not Grubby. I'm sorry. Grubby is not used to, because there's a guy in my chat in here keeps coming back. Who keeps coming back? It's that code break as well. It was working earlier. I did delete it, didn't I? Yeah, I did delete it. It was, yeah. That was a code I was meant to press the wrong button again. He's not used to having someone like different in chat who's not like trying to. I don't know. It's a problem. Maybe it's wrong color. I just check. That's changed to color. Maybe that's kind of mean. It is kind of mean. Yeah, I have this little ground pound thing that I was working on. Could be cool. Maybe if you're like, if you're like jumping down, you have like this hitbox where that would just, absolutely destroy a guy. It would be funny. I could do that actually. Like if it's entered, like we have like a, I don't have an enemy, but like we could. So if you go like go back to like the player scene, and then we just, add like an area 2D on. We have like an area 2D, like I'm just gonna demo it, but because I'm not gonna I'm probably not going to use it, but like if we have like an area 2D, I should actually probably change this back to from a capsule to a. I was just doing this for testing. I should probably change this back to a rectangle. It's still misaligned somewhat, and it annoys the heck. It's still kind of misaligned somewhat. Annoys the heck out of me. Does this need a collision shape? And we just need to give it a shape. Let's make it a rectangle. So this area 2D is like, put it like under here, right? That was the idea. We just like, and then this would only be active. We would write a little bit. We would write a little bit of code for uh ground pound or something like that. So we would so then we'd write code for because we have like these signals here. If something enters it, we can decide whether or not to we want to absolutely nuke it from existence. I think it works out. Try to get a ground pound work for my buddies never get to work. I was probably overthinking it. I found I feel like just like having this area 2D down here would probably do the trick, but I'm just not sure. Who's the imposter? Robbie, I think you're being a bit paranoid, man. I think this would work. I think this would work. Like we just, you know, have like an area entered and we just connect it to the connect to the thing, so we had have like a so like area dot q the q free or something. I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm pretty sure I feel like this would probably be like the easiest implementation for like a ground pound. I mean I mean it doesn't have to be. I mean, to be clear, it doesn't have to be like Q free. You could just have like you could have like a whole health point system, which I would probably just set up like a whole component like a whole like component for it. Like let's say if I do like a component like that. Actually, you know what? For the player script, I should probably just do this real quick because this is really I've learned that this is really important. Like setting up a class, like having a class being called player or something. Let's give it help. You know what? I'll take some time. Give it help. Give me something. Gives me something to do, and it's also familiar to me, so might as well, right? So we just we create a new create a new script called elf component because if you haven't noticed, this whole system is really good for composition. So the health component, let's give it a class name. I don't know, class name elf component. And then we can do like a max health. We can do like a max HP or like let's do like an export. Let's do like an export since we wanted to. We can attach the script to something else, right? On get. Also, this to me this is important. Get parent add to group, and then we just do health. So this should tell like nodes like let's say if this player thing would enter an area 2D, right? And you need to do damage. You can use your group system to check if it has health, I guess. Would this delete enemies? So far, yeah, it would delete enemies, but you can also but this would probably help. Implementing this would probably help. We have a variable for like max HP, right? Max HP, we just have a sort of float, and then let's have a default to like 10. We can set a default here var max or HP go to let's set the default to like 0 or something. And we don't really need to set actually we don't need to set it as an export. I think it's var is just fine. And then we can do HP go to max HP when this node is entering the scene or is called. And a fake Grubby. Oh, somebody pretending to be you? Wait, is there do we have an actual imposter in chat? Oh yeah, no, it's the area intersect. Wait, wait, I just checked Streamlabs. We actually have an imposter in chat. Wait, like font color should be no for Streamlabs. It actually does change. I it's I'm playing Killer Frequency again, and I'm trying to. Okay, I think I shot. I I I think I shot for right once. I think I shot for right Grubby. He's gone. I had to go back. I had to actually check your channel. The one I didn't ban has like all the animations on here. Hold on. I should probably actually. Yeah, I think we got the fake guys. We did it. He's dude. Is it Yeet? Is it Yeet again? Who's you? I think it. I think Yeet was trying to. He's just been doing that. I guess I don't know. And then we just do like let's have a function for like changing the health for editing the health. I guess. Uh, let's just do like deal or change health, and then let's just do like a float variable for change. Then we can just do eat or cheese. I think it was yeet. Yeah. It was, I can't believe we actually have a guy. He's just that obsessed. I just didn't notice. He also misspelled my name. He like it was not spelled correctly, which made it made that whole thing easier. Thankfully, I'm sorry. That guy's really he's really obsessed. It's funny. Oof. FBI, we got him. He's devoted. He's devoted. I don't know why. Like it's so weird. Ah, I it's I'm gonna pretend that never happened. Yeah, I think it's best we do that. I think it is straight up just best that we do that. We can actually just add this. Oh, you know what? Actually, does that work? Let's say if like we let's say we just do that. Does that just work? But is it better? I guess that question is it better do we put in a node or I honestly just make a node with because honestly the way I have it set up, I might as well just make it a node with a scene. Like we just set up a node, that's we just call it health component. We just call it like health component or something. That's how I think that should be set up, and then we can do the whole parent thing. And not do it correctly. I don't think I did do it correctly. But now this should just have HP. And we can actually add a label on top of this guy. I think. Is that a label? Sure. Label. That and let's just do a let's just make a new script or something. is it worth it to like attach it to a screen? He's got free random subs. I don't know, man. I don't know. I was one of them. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Uh, we have an HP label. Can we just reference the label? I mean, is it worth doing it inside this whole thing, or would you handle it in the like? Where do you put like? Is it worth it to make it like? Why do you do that? Here for for 200 mark, I think. Yeah, we've been hovering around the 200 mark, but I'd rather not do it as a label. I'd rather do it as like a bar or something, like a small little progress bar that we can put. Let's not show the percentage. Do the min value. Is there another imposter? The color is the same. You Grubby? Are you all right? Oh, wait. There is another imposter, isn't there? Wait, hold on. I just checked. Wait, there's another imposter. Wait, no way. The PFEs don't match up again. I didn't see the P. I wasn't. I don't look at the PFEs too closely. What? What? Why? Why go through all of this? Uh, rent free, everybody. Rent free. I just realized I wrote values here. Uh, just wrote values there. I think I might just do it here, actually. I really enjoyed the stream. I'm probably gonna head on work on starting Godot myself. Well, thanks for stopping by, man. I appreciate it. This is just why do I do this to myself? Good luck, man. What's my stream quote for these streams? I don't. Do we have stream quotes? I. I actually didn't assign a health component. Here we go. Health component. We have a health component there. Just have a health to like 100 or something, and then we can do something. And then you know what? I'm probably gonna do like another. Just add more Just add more buttons. Why not? Just add more buttons. More buttons. Debug up and debug down. And then we can do something like let's do process. Let's just add a process here. I can just do it. I can probably do it in player. It's gonna be messy, but screw it. Why not? Why do I keep doing that? I'm the last shadow left. I think eh Blair is probably still here. It's just he's working on other stuff, it's just fine. Debug up. I don't know why I keep doing that. Let stuff happen. Yep. It's not displaying properly. No, it's I think I figured it out anyway. I think anyway. I don't think I set this up properly. The progress bar I think is meant to from beginning end. Make this a function real quick. Again? How many of these accounts are you making? Hey Blair, welcome back. How many of these accounts are you making? mean, you're already like the only like consistent chatter into here, but it's just like, dude, it's you know, I'm thinking about it. Is it really worse? Uh, it's so easy to make accounts like this. Actually, it's insane. Why do I don't know why I keep doing that. Actually, I don't know why I keep doing that. So does this work now? No, it does not. Okay, the bar's not working. Okay, the bar is just not working. I don't know. I'm sorry, man. It's just is it? Why is this not? What does this do again? Huh. I can see that being useful at some point. I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know when that would be useful. You know, all you have to do is make an account. I mean, you don't even need to make an account. It's really just. I mean, it's just YouTube, man. I don't get it. I'm not concerned. I'm annoyed. Yeah, it's genuinely like. Hi. It, oh, I actually need. That name. God. Hello, Griffin. Welcome to the stream. I'm just trying to figure out. We're dealing with some. We're dealing with a dude being annoying on the YouTube side of things, sadly. But for now, as of also if his health bar is not working, probably because of something I'm doing. I just don't. I don't. I'm trying to get it to have his health component here, so it's trying to update the progress bar, right? But it's not properly doing that, so I'm not entirely sure. The 6 viewer on Twitch, it's a lot more than normal. That does not. I don't. I don't know. It I'm just trying to get a health bar, a progress bar to work because it's meant to display the health. It's just it's not doing that for some reason. But he's only called once, by the way. I know. It's called once. It's called when he's seen enters a tree. So ideally, and I have this whole thing in the player script. I mean, I'm gonna remove this later. It's that basically it's meant to change the health that that's in this health component. It's just that, and I have set bar value here, and this progress bar is being called, unless it's not, but it should be. I should probably actually rename this. So it's kind of, I don't know, because it's I feel like it should be showing something there, right? Why is it? Maybe I just don't have it configured correctly. I don't know. What if I set the default value? What if I just set the value to like 50? Maybe I'm doing just change the value here. Let's run it. Is serious red liquid in it? Maybe it's just not showing up. Maybe it's better if I do a maybe it doesn't change based on it. Maybe I should just do a label. Maybe a label would be better here. Let's Yeah, let's try. Let's just redo this overlay. Let's. I'll leave it here. I guess I'll just make sure it's not shown. But let's just set up a label. A small little health label. A flag by Nightbot for links. Oh, yeah. I don't. Sorry, I don't. I don't allow links in chat. It's to mitigate for. It's to mitigate some of the stuff. I don't know. Sometimes you get people like, hey, free bots. I didn't link. Fair enough. Let's try. Let's try running a label here. Let's just do like. And let's just remove that for now. I think doing messages is helpful. Uh, you essentially strip like gamedata.gd that exports all your variables, then create a resource file of an attached for script. Then reference the resource. Simply do example gamedata.hp. I guess that works for a single. I don't know. Oh, that does. I think it does work for like a single player thing. But if I want to reuse the problem is if what happens if I want to reuse it for like reuse the health script for another thing for other for enemies and stuff. What do I do then? Like let's say like I don't know. I'm not at that stage yet, but I'm thinking about it. Maybe if I have like a global variable like coins, like something that other entities just straight up do not have, then yeah, I think that could be helpful. I'm just not entirely sure. Uh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know. So I kind of like using the health component thing just so I can change that stuff and reuse a bunch of that code for if I really need it for later. That's I'm just gonna say this. I completely forgot what I was doing for a little bit. That meant to. All right. I guess it's just gonna be that. I guess I just need to check if it's actually like affecting stuff. So let's just code that in. I'm gonna brute force this because I'm. Eh, it's probably a really bad way of doing this. I'm gonna think of it. Nope. Maybe there's just something straight up wrong with the. I'm gonna go when I return. I'll say, oh okay. Yeah, man. Maybe this just isn't working, then. I just don't have it set up properly. Maybe. But it should be setting HP to max HP. I did not set divisional value. That seems like that honestly just seems like a rookie mistake. Oops. My brain is all over the place this stream. I forget to. Yep, I did. Okay, so that does display then. I forgot to. It's okay. I guess clamps not working then. I mean, it is changing the way I wanted to, which is nice. It's just that. So if I just go under, sorry. So it doesn't let it go below 0, but it goes above 100. What? I swear that's meant to. I'm dumb. Oh, I don't know what. I filled in the arguments incorrectly. Why am I like this? All right, I really need it. All right, I filled in the arguments incorrectly. Don't worry about it. That is the wrong script entirely. Thank you doing that. Hey, use the sprite 2D for your health bar background. Want to make a texture rec with. You can simply modify the texture rec. Single cell x-axis. You can do that. Yeah. Yeah, I know you. Actually, yeah, that makes sense. Actually, it does make sense. You can just. And you also there's a reason why you have like the texture rectangle, but it's also textured progress bars, right? I guess this does work. Huh. So now, yeah, this works the way I intended to. That's nice. Woo! Yeah, don't worry, I used a big blue rectangle for the background because I was like, yeah, screw it. I just want to look at something. I want to look at something nicer. Anyway, that should be good. So that does mean that that the health component is working, which is nice. Yeah, that works too. Yeah. Can I get to health? Can I get the sword gun? Maybe not. Okay, maybe not that. Okay, maybe we don't do that actually. So wait, does it not show anything? Like maybe it's too small for it to actually show things properly. I think we need a different way of displaying health then. I think we need a yeah. I think we need a different way of displaying health then. You know what? Yeah, because I think that's just straight up too small. So if this doesn't work, then what are the odds that that other thing that would also work? What if he odds fat? Let's say like if we set up a what was it? This range. Ah, a texture prog. What if he odds a texture progress? Well, what is a spin box? Oh, oh, that would do it. Yeah, that would do it. Yeah, I think you understand what a spin box is now. Yeah. Sadly, I think we need to figure out a. We could do a rectangle thing if we really wanted to, but yeah, but a progress bar, as far as I could tell, maybe just didn't set up correctly. I don't know. Maybe like it's set to like value to like 50, right? Yeah, it does just the percent does display. It's just that that doesn't the bar itself isn't going up. Yeah, because it's it's because it's horizontal, isn't it? I see. Okay, maybe I did. Okay, maybe I misinterpreted it. So it could work. So I don't know why I assumed it. Just a small oversight. And then scale, I think we could. If we were to just additionally just make this 90 degree, we get a 90-degree rotation at 270 actually would probably work better. At 270, and then we make it a. And then we scale this down a little bit. Maybe not 0.5. I want this to be tall and skinny, so that's so tiny. Oh, that's just tiny. Maybe a bit too tiny, actually. I'm gonna think of it. What are you doing? No, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, this should just. Okay, so does this just work now? So we do like max value, radius value to like, let's say like 50. Yeah, this should work fine. Look it up on YouTube. Eh, I just don't want to mess around with stuff. I don't think it really matters all that much. Alright, so let's do that then. I actually don't think any of this health level. I don't think it looks all that great. So let's just bring back to progress bar. Let's bring back the progress bars. Change of this, place that there, display dot value, and then we set the value to HP divided by max HP. These are both floats, so this should be fine. And then multiply by 100 because that's like that's the range of values that the game will that this progress bar will allow. So let's explain that then. Yeah, that goes. Huh. Yeah, it works. Secret I'm Griffin. Kobe, did you actually get a Twitch account? Can I change the display of this thing just to make it? Like, hey, me. That's fair. But I don't know why I keep doing that. I don't know why I keep doing that. So we do have like health bar. So we do have like a health. We have like a ground pound. It kind of works. Eh, I can recode it a little bit. Just because currently it just deletes the thing in question. You know something? I should probably just do this real quick. So in that case, it would do 50 damage, right? Oh dear God, I don't. Oh dear, I don't even know, man. But it should be able to change. So you can do that. Why not? We like add an enemy. Can we add an enemy? What if we did add an enemy? Let's make a new scene. New scene. Make a new scene. Let's just make it like a image type. What do we want to make it? Why is it falling at different speeds? Mainly because I'm pressing down of a deep. I'm pressing down on my thing. I made it so that the character falls faster. So just lighting. Let's make it just a box. What do you need to give it again? Call it call it an enemy. Enemy. Then I mean it's not gonna move. It's not gonna have a script that lets it move, so why not? Yeah, collision shape. Collision shape, let's give it a box, like a color rect. Give it the shape of a rectangle. Just so we can there we go. Skippity no don't do not add we're not adding skippity toilet. This guy is not gonna have AI. I just wanted to make it because, let's just make but sky is red. Or I don't even know what to call this color. I it occurs to me that I have no idea what to call this color. And can we just import it into test platform real quick? Let's see. This guy's a lot larger than I expected. I screwed up somewhere. I do not know where I screwed up, but uh, that following assignment of a property key value type float on a base object type. Nope. There's a very easy fix for this. There's a very, very easy fix for this. There. Uh. Oh, I didn't implement what happened. I did not implement what happens when if it dies. Um. How much does enemy have? How much health did I set it to? 10 HP. This is gonna be scuffed. I just realized it's gonna be pretty scuffed. I didn't get to. No, this is fine. You have another imposter. Damn it. I'll be back. I have to take my prescription. You should probably do that. Maybe. Maybe. Uh, I should probably just add a print here. Something. I should probably make sure that. I just realized it's clipping into the ground. The ground area is just clipping into the thing, into the right. Maybe I shouldn't do that. Actually. Wait, what am I? I have no idea. Is there another? Sorry. Oh, there is another imposter. Oh. Oh. Doing this again. Doing. Why do we keep doing this, man? Anyway. Um. Let's see. I think I should. I think my code is just kind of screwed. Why did I feel like I messed something up here. Also health component. I should probably add a thing for. I don't think this is. Oh, you know what? I actually do need a script for changing health. Right. Probably. Yeah, I probably do need a script for changing health. It just hit me. I didn't actually write a script for health. I change health, change note, change health, change. So that should. I don't know why I keep doing that actually. Goodbye. All right, damn it. It isn't taking damage. Is it not doing that properly or? Huh? It's not entering the area. Well, but stand on top of you. Oh, you know what? Something just hit me. No, no, it is actually okay. So the area. Uh, requires monitoring to be set to true. Did I set monitoring to true? It is true. That's okay. So it's nothing. So it's not anything that's being entered then. That's what gives. Maybe I should make it a carrot body actually. Maybe I should make that a character body. Does that change anything? Probably not actually. Okay, so why is this not? Legend shape is here, so but it's only check of an area. What if I do body? Actually, come to think of it, what if I do body entered? What if I have to do body if body entered, then that would probably be better actually. 'Cause I think it's only for checking for does that work? Oh, it did get freed, but it's just that scene. So it did get freed, but it didn't delete itself. There's probably another step I have to do for it. Also, it just also I just realized the enemy just does not. The enemy does not have gravity. Whoops. I what happens when I change this haphazardly? Oh, you know what? It just hit me. It just hit me. I should be doing that instead because I'm trying to keep because this would only delete the puff component. Yeah, let's give that a shot. That should work. That's new. Um. Okay. We just kind of we blew each other up. That's okay. We blew each other up. All right. Wait, so does that mean that? Hold on. Let's clear the output first. Let's just take some time to run around and leave this little thing. Like, hi. Yeah, yeah, I figured it out. Um, does it only like tick up when we're moving around? Okay, so that means it's detecting the body itself as well. That's which should not be happening. So that means it's detecting that. How if we were to? Oh, wait. So every time I jump, what? So every time I jump, that would if we just. I mean, we could. It seems like a bandage fixed, but this is just a that's just a bandage fixed. But does that actually do anything? Yes, it does, actually. Just kidding, we still blew ourselves up. What? Okay, but nothing. No, it's still not working. It's still not working. So if we just, so if that means if we jump, we just die. Oh, that's not good. All right. Um. Yeah, that didn't work at all. So we went from it not working to absolutely destroying us from existence. You know, this body is. Why? Okay. I want to fix. I know. I kind of want to fix this before the end of the stream, but so I'm making sure this is detached from the thing, but it's still detecting it. This character as in the. Is this something faulty with the code or? What's the name of the body that gets entered anyway? So let's try to do that instead to figure out what's going on here. This is completely useless of a test. Oh, apparently it picks up a tile map later actually. Wasn't thinking about that, but I guess that would make sense. Why does it pick up the player when it jumps? It's something I have written in the code. What happens if I were to remove this line of code here? Would we still be able to move around fine, or no? It just picks up a thing while we're jumping. It just why? What's up? Hi, Pine Glass. I'm trying to fix a bug right now. For some reason, I'm trying to implement a ground pound, but now it's picking up. That's the wrong scene entirely. Basically, if something is basically if the player jumps, it takes damage, which maybe not the best idea for it to happen. It's essentially doing. I'm just trying to do something like the body is in group. If something enters this area 2D right here, then it should damage. It should damage it. I mean, that's a basic thing. I'll add like the other functionality to really restrict it to a ground pound later. It's just the slight issue is that um it's dealing damage while the players jump. It's dealing damage to the player. I mean, it attacks the tile map layer, but come on, it's a tile map layer. So I don't know entirely know what's going on. It's something real. It's probably something really obvious, and it's just bugging me. It's still scary. It's still scaring me. My dream is to be a gaming developer. Don't worry about it. You probably don't worry about it. I mean, a lot of doing this is I don't know, a little bit of trial and error. It's probably fun. It's and sometimes and I don't know what's scaring you particularly. I can explain like all these different components if you want, but I don't know. I don't know. Normally the normal thing to do would be to look at tutorials of it because I think any developer would want to like look at some tutorials, especially if they're just starting out, and if they're just trying to get some practice, like trying to get some practice like me. I'm just kind of, but right now I'm kind of just throwing stuff at a wall and kind of just seeing if it sticks. When currently it's sliding off of a wall onto the floor. I don't know. I don't know why, but I have no idea why that this player is why it's an area down here, right? So why is it picking up a player that's up here? I mean, there's also like a lot of other. Trust me, there's also a lot of other guides. Like for Godot, the documentation for all of these different components. So it's for some reason that enters it, even though it's what if you toggle fall damage slash toggle fall damage false. Don't have fall. The problem is I don't have fall damage. The problem is the damage isn't caused by fall damage. I don't have fall damage in the script. I do not have. I don't have fall damage implemented. It's just like this is just our basic move. It's basically like our basic move code. Here's a ground pound code I'm trying to use, or part of it anyway. Here's the thing that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's yeah. I guess it does look like fall damage, huh? And fall damage, I'm pretty sure isn't all that bad. If I really wanted to, I could probably. What if I were just do? What if I just did this? Maybe some of that fall damage. Fall damage, I don't think is all that bad. But I'm gonna go on a tangent here because just staring at one line of code kind of just makes me go insane. So I could technically do. So I could technically work on a little bit of. I mean, fall damage is for a platformer. I'm not entirely sure how well it can be utilized, but and honestly, there's a lot of different. Yeah, there's a lot of different ways that fall damage can be implemented. There's time-based fall damage, which basically tracks how long you've been falling, which isn't ideal because sometimes you'll just be if you're just gliding down, there's just more time being added, so you just take more damage, and it's not something really anybody wants. Sure, there's just other ways around it, but and there's also distance-based fall damage, basically the point at which if you fall like a certain amount of distance from your starting elevation, yeah, you're also taking that much damage, which also isn't that great because again, the gliding thing. So I typically so if I'm working on a game like this, I typically try to implement velocity-based fall damage. Can I do that right now? Eh, why not? Why not? This isn't really like a long-term project. It's really just me trying to mess around, see what sticks. So, well, so basically, we have a we can just try to make variables called stored velo velocity, and let's just make this a float. There's a lot. Trust me, you'll trust me. A bunch of this stuff comes with like creating a player script. It's just here's stuff here's stuff for here's stuff for movement. Here's stuff for this is straight up just not working. This it's kind of working actually. Hold on. Let me just put a, let me just put a comment here. It's kind of working. I can do I can it's blinking, but it's not really dashing. I'm using C plus I'm using good this is a language called GDScript. It's kind of like Python if you want to learn that. I don't know. C sharp I could use it. I need to like review it because it's been a while. But yeah. Have you had node particle effects every time like teleports? I've never actually messed with I've actually never messed with particle effects, so that could be an option. Let's just make this like really mean. This would do damage every time I hit the ground, which is pretty funny. I just want to, but this is just like an example to see if my code does work. And hopefully it does, but it shouldn't. How long have you been a developer? Not that. I've had my hand at like, I've tried my hand a couple of times. Just okay. I don't think it's working. 'Cause I have like functions that increase and decrease health, which do work. To be clear, it's just and I've never really the problem. My issue is that I haven't really been committed enough to do much. That work. And ideally, it's meant to. Okay, no, it's not working. But the idea is that if it's not on the floor, we store the current velocity of the guy. and then we change the health base. And then once it hits the floor, it's not gonna stop doing that, and it's not working for some reason. I don't. We could just. Yeah, the code's not working. It's because of. I think we want to leave the damage thing. You want to make an obstacle courses in between. Yeah. Object gives health. This is meant to be an enemy, and I was trying to get ground pound to work. It's it's not working. I don't know why this sort of code's not working. It should be storing it. Maybe it's because it's here. Actually, it just hit me that store velocity should just be up here. It should probably not in the. I am using Godot just to remove and reset. I just realized I died of fall damage. Um, I think it. Okay, so maybe I made the fall. Okay, maybe the fall damage code is a lot harsher than I expected. Yeah, it was meant to be harsh, not that harsh. I don't think I meant it to be that harsh. All right. Let's just. I don't know. Divided by 100 or something. I don't know. I don't know. All right. So now that we jump, we should just do damage to ourselves. Yeah. And then if we just, we should just be doing damage to ourselves. Yeah. All right. All damage code is working. I'll have to replace that later. I'll have to replace that later. I am going to straight up replace that, but for now, knowing that fall damage works and I could just put it in whatever I want, it's pretty funny. Let's not do for now. Let's not do that. But and also, also, okay, the velocity numbers are actually kind of high. Yeah. Uh, I forget how fast fall damage actually does ramp up in this case. Wait, is this end of a stream? I I still need to get ground pound working because I'm still running into the issue where I'm still running into the issue where let's say if I like set this up, right? I jump and I just instantly take damage for some reason and I'm dead. Because for some reason it's detecting the player when I jump. Could it not be I just got here? Well, how long is it going to... Well, it really depends on how long it takes for me to fix this, to fix the part of a code. It depends on how long it takes for me to, fix the part of a code where it detects the player when I jump, even though when I check the 2D node, the collision boxes are two very separate things. I mean, at least they're meant to be. So you're streaming every day? No. The thing is, to be clear, this Godot stream is I don't know if it's meant to be one-off, but I'm normally a gaming channel that streams every other day. I stream every other day, so I mean I can't come back to this. It's just I wanted to try something different for today's stream, like actually developing something. or give it a shot, and now I'm just baffled. So I don't know. I just want to try something different. I just want to try something different. See how it goes. What? Okay, that works, I guess. But I still detect myself and blow up. I still detect my is you walk and get fall damage. It's not. It's just when I jump. For some reason, if the box like let's say if I move my character like here or I get changing anchor point by accident. Say if I move my character here, right? Yeah, he does. It probably does it, but yeah, I just don't know why that's being caught. Why that does that. Is there like maybe I shouldn't be maybe this just doesn't work. What if I try to mitigate the issue? I also wrote I also tried running this line of code where let's try running a line of code where it's just like if body is player. So this will tell ask if we just pass that. I give up. I actually enjoy watching this at 2 a.m. Thanks. I appreciate it. Suffering is part of a game development experience. But if I jump, yeah, it doesn't really. Is it even like no, the main question is this even like detecting that like I made this entire thing a player class? I mean this should be a player. As you can see, if you look at that, it should be of type player. Let us do Aleph. Let's try just do an Aleph, actually. What? You know what? I'll take it. I don't know why. I don't know why. That's a. You know what? I guess I just need to put an Aleph. I should. You know what? That's a really simple solution. Uh, so if I do this, yeah, I can jump around, zip around, basic stuff. Imagine the problem was just really obvious and the program is just making you insane. A lot of times it feels like it ends up that way. I should probably remove that from the. So that should be fine, actually. Yeah, that should work. So let's just make sure that. So let's just do this real quick. We do a variable for is ground pounding. I don't want to. Like, I don't want to do it all the time. I just want to do it while it's ground. I just want to do it while it's ground pounding. And let's just set this to false. Let's as a default, this should just be set to false. False. And the chain shelf. Oh, what am I saying? I had some comments just to make sure I'm not. If that's true, but if we hit the, do we have something for if we are on the floor? We don't. Go to programming. Yep. This is how life. This is how programming goes. Honestly, if you want, if I just jump on you, you'll be fine. But if I ground pound, we did it. We have ground pound implemented, guys. We did it. What's the game gonna be about? It's just a for now. It's just a platformer. It's really just to let me get him a swing, things for working on something for 2D. But we did ground pound. Finally. Nice pounding, man. And let me have this. Oh my gosh. That's just fun. I should probably, you know what? I really need to. I never did get to fix this, but I don't know how to do. I don't know how to fix them. But next thing you know, you're making a game better than balloons. That's gonna take way too. That's going to take way too long to get to do. Because the fundamental building, I don't know. I don't know. I'd play this game to be honest. There's not enough subs. The problem is I don't have many ideas for us, so there's not going to be enough substance. I'm really. I never actually finished. I need to fix like the stuff I need to do still. That's the stuff I need to fix, like dash. I need to fix. I need to fix the dash. I need the acceleration to be good. I need acceleration to be good. I have a lot of ideas. There's a lot. There's a lot we can do. Like honestly, we could do a stream where we could have a game design set up a game design document. If you're gonna start working on a concept, I think people have talked about making like a game design document. And I forgot to adjust. I said I was gonna do it, and I completely forgot to adjust the speed. There we go. There we go. An actual like sensible. Yeah. Seriously, I don't know how to fix. I really don't know how to fix the thing fall. You just kind of walk off slopes. It's something. I feel like this isn't. It's something I'm not gonna be able to do. Maybe if I learn enough. Maybe I need to look at a few tutorials just pick up a few different tools before I come back to it. Who knows? Add sound effects next? I don't know if I'd be able to add sound effects. Not finished, low key. You guys are glazing. Yeah. Also, one of the slopes should become angled. Angled. I really don't think it should be angled. I'm gonna be honest. I should. I have a lot. I want to share my ideas. Discord is. Don't. I don't think you should press yourself Discord. I don't know when I'm gonna become. I don't know when I'm gonna be coming back to this project. Also, I should probably. Yeah. Whoops. Uh, I didn't set a cooldown for dash. I uh. That can't be that bad to implement, right? Let me just Also, yeah, I don't have Nightbot on this one. It will be fun. Plus, I might need a teacher like you. I don't. I mean, there's a lot of good tutorials out there. They could teach. There's a lot of ways you can probably like. Okay, like let's start this off. Do you want to like? Let me try to explain something. Do you want to make? I can explain this line of code because I know how this works. You want? So basically, like when we're storing, we need a way to be able to capture the velocity. But if we were to just take the velocity at as it currently is, by the time it hits the ground, the velocity is going to be 0, right? So that's not going to work. We need to be able to check. We need to be able to grab velocity before it hits the ground. So this is why we have if not is on floor. This whole physics processing runs every I want to say 60 frames, 60 times per second. This should be good enough so that it should capture the last point before it hits the floor. And then you have some sort of and then if as shown earlier, once you hit the floor, it's going to be on the floor. So we have this else symbol here, so we can actually like run it carry over. And then we reset restore velocity so that you don't keep it forever. Yeah, that's basically what the whole no imposter. No, apparently not this time. I'm not sure. We've been having. What's next? I have. But next I did have a talk with Connor. We are gonna do we are. I think the next stream. I think we straight up are just gonna, which is gonna be on Wednesday. By the way, on Wednesday we're gonna go for killer frequencies again and start and then we do the one where everybody dies. How's the game going? We put in a ground pound, so that's pretty nice. But I think the idea for next stream is that we're just gonna do it or everybody. Good night, I'm going to bed. All right. Good night, man. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, it's like a little. I don't know. I made the enemy like a blob, which is blob of like health and stuff. So yeah, it's basically nothing was basic about that to me. How do I explain? I mean, I don't know how to. Yeah, see, this is why I'm not a good teacher. I don't know how to like break it down. I don't know how to break down this like set of code. Well, this set of code to like do velocity based fall damage well enough. I don't know. Like, I don't know. It's okay. It was a joke. It's in it. I don't know. I wish I was better. I don't know. There's a lot of things I wish I could be better at, but we really can only do that through actually doing stuff. And me streaming this was my way of saying, "Hey, me, get to work on something. You'll have social pressure. It'll be fine." I don't handle social pressure that well. I don't know why I did that. I keep doing it. Eh, it's kind of that's how it goes. It should. Honestly, let's just cap the fall. I think I would just cap fall damage or cap the dash real quick. We can just do it if we just press and not and can dash. And when we set even here, we can set can dash to false because we're gonna cap because can dash equals false, and then once we hit the floor, we can dash again. we find only goes insane by fall damage. So if I spam a button, yeah. And then if I just do this again, you have dashing. Should I let the player dash on the floor? Eh. What does dashing on the floor? What does dashing on the floor look like actually? You know, the worst part about the fall damage, I implemented it in a 3D space, so it shouldn't have been. Oh, okay. Wait, does that mean you can like dash twice? You can. It's a little bit of movement tech. Uh, you know what? I'm gonna. It's been 4 hours since I started. I'm probably gonna call it here. This isn't I'm probably gonna call it here. Yeah. Will a double dash be overpowered for players? Eh, honestly, I don't really think so. It's just I mean, if it is overpowered, I think that's just a level design. At that point, it would just be a level design issue. So basically, I would, since I know that it's a mechanic that exists, I just have to design levels kind of around that. I mean, it's a tool. The thing is, at the end of the day, it's a tool to make the game fun. If I were to incorporate it into a challenge, I think that would be interesting as a thing. I mean, that's a thing about balance. You don't only have to think about not only have to think about how fair a game is, but you also have to think about how much fun they can have. If you limit things too much for the player, like it becomes like too one-dimensional. It's not fun, and don't think anybody would play a game like that. But otherwise, yeah, it's stuff like that you do kind of have to think about. I feel like it's I don't know. I mean, also one of the main tells is if you're not having fun with your game, if you feel like it's too restrictive, you're not really having fun with it. Maybe rethink that. Anyway, I'm gonna end the stream here, and I'm gonna reiterate, I don't do this thing often. I started working on this as like a suggestion from from the last stream. There would have been a stream in between that, but I don't know, my momentum kind of got shut down. My momentum for that kind of got shut down. But to be honest, the way I see it, if they're too overpowered, they will get bored and stop playing because there's no challenge anymore. Yeah, that's the other part of balance. That's the other part about it. You don't want to make it so that you don't want to make the game a cakewalk. You can give them tools, but there has to be something. There has to be some sort of friction to keep it from being a cakewalk, a challenge, so to speak. I mean, but it can't be limiting enough so that it stops being fun. Yeah. On Wednesday we're gonna be going back to video games, and we're gonna be doing I think we're gonna be doing a killer frequency run where we've played through the game in its entirety on the channel. This time we're just gonna let things happen and see what happens, and just the bad end run we're doing like a bad end run basically. Since I stressed myself out with puzzles last time, and we spent like an hour on like a specific puzzle. I will not talk because the wording was confusing. Maybe that was just a me thing. Anyway, that's gonna be it from me. Remember, I stream every other day at 5 p.m. PST. So I don't know, 5 p.m. PST is. Yeah, do people actually do those time conversions? I don't know. Turtle, I had no idea that you were here. I wonder if people do those time conversions. Like I say it at the end of every stream, but I just don't. Yeah, wasn't that's fair. Just come back. Yeah, killer frequency. Yeah. I'll I'll see you guys on Wednesday. See you then. All right.